Hi, it's Danny. Welcome to video 5 on the wrists. We're going to close the chain, not just lightly against the wall, but a bit more weight bearing, a bit more challenge, a bit more pressure. Let's focus on the right side here. So you can lean in and back. If you have the heel of the hand raised up a bit more than the fingers, this can help for sure. So feel free to roll up your mat or put a little pad under the heel of the hand. Can also add the deviation side to side at different angles, but you're curious about with a small bit or grander range of the deviation towards the ulnar and radius. You can roll over, flex your wrist here and feel into that more challenging option. Perhaps you're not as weighted now. You've got to have a good boy, hey bud. Got to have a bit more, yes, in a minute, darling, thank you. Maybe a bit more weight on your other hand, thank you, thank you. Yes, you can sit there, you like the mat, don't you? Thank you, thank you. So back of the hand down, lean in, move around a bit again. You could circle that. Okay, so bit of mobility while weight bearing, bit more challenge. I know your turn, Loopy. Hello, darling. Okay, left side. Let's lean in, gently extending the wrist there. I think you might be in the way of the camera. Yeah, you're happy with that, aren't you? And weave a bit side to side. So left to right, go pretty flat. Should be easier. Then a little higher as you ease in. What's that like? How's the range? How's the comfort? How's the comparison? How far can you go without it being too strenuous? And then yes, we can work on flexion, turn the hand over, back of the hand down. I mean, that's not easy to do, but there are people who would definitely go up into a push-up position from here. Can probably do it on one arm, but not my left hand. So just be curious about that range. You could try a plank for a moment and do a bit of wrist ulnar radial deviation from there, rolling on the knuckles. Very nice, easier from the kneeling version. And of course, this is the basics and the premise of lots of your conditioning and yoga moves. Okay. Well done. Thanks for joining in today.